DappRadar has supercharged its flagship portfolio tracker with the all-new NFT Financial View. In addition to seeing your NFT collections, you can now also review and track their performance in real time. The new Financial View gives you insight into the floor price movements, the amount spent at the time of purchase, and the total value of a collection. Newcomers, experienced investors, and flippers alike can use this data to better understand their NFT holdings and their wealth. Your DappRadar portfolio now also allows you to understand the market movements for those moments when you're interested in buying or selling. Floor prices act as an entry point into a collection. These have become a key insight into the NFT market and can show buy opportunities for undervalued NFTs in certain collections. Connect your wallet to DappRadar and try out our new NFT Financial View today.